Hi, I am going to start making sourdough bread. And I've never done this before, but I'm going to start my starter today. So I just thought I would share and we'll see how this goes. This past year, I have lost like 7 pounds and I started eating bread and butter. I had eliminated bread basically from my diet and grains, and I just started to eat it again. And especially in the past maybe 4 or 5 months, I started having bread and butter. I'd have a lovely bowl of soup and I'd have a little roll with butter, and it was just like so homey and delicious. And I decided I'm not going to feel bad about this anymore because I lost the weight and kept on my muscle. So all good. And and I've been listening to Where'd You Park Your Spaceship by Rob Bell, and he talks about sourdough rosemary bread all the time. So it's in my cells now. I have to make some sourdough bread. So I've made a lot of bread in the past, but I've never made sourdough because it's a process, but it seems like it's pretty simple. I printed out some instructions. We will see how it goes. And I'm going to use organic flour, because to me that organic is so important, especially with breads and flour, because of all the glyphosate that is sprayed on wheat. You don't want that in your body. So here we go. Because I've been eating bread and I've been eating organic, but it's not sourdough. And I know a lot of people. I have a friend that she can't have gluten. She's so sensitive, but she can have sourdough bread. So let's see how this goes. And I think the only issue I'm going to have, so it's like a half a cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of warm water. And then you're supposed to just stir it with the fork till it gets pasty, thick and pasty. And then you're supposed to keep it in a warm spot. Now, where is your warm spot when it's so cold outside? My house is not 75 degrees, but I'm just going to leave it by the stove and hopefully the magic will happen. There we go. That looks like it's thick and pasty. Okay. See how this goes. So you don't have to use yeast. This is the natural fermentation process of just letting it sit around. So let's see what happens. So you can just put a lid on it, leave it by my stove, and there you go. So I also wanted to share, I think part of my success with my weight loss is these cold plunges. I committed to 30 days of cold plunging in a row. I've been just doing it in my bathtub because the tap water this morning was 43 degrees. So it's plenty chilly for a cold plunge. So my sister and Kathleen and I decided to carry on after our 30 days. I'm on day 68. It's been phenomenal. Never easy, but I go in and I feel so much better. My body's good. And I think it's really helped keep the weight off. Just the process of becoming warm again, takes a lot of energy. And also you're boosting your mitochondria and your energy levels and your dopamine. So it's a phenomenal thing. And my husband, Dan, gave me a heated vest for Christmas. So luxurious. So anyway, just thought I'd share what's going on with me. Have you ever made sourdough bread? Let me know. I'd like to hear your experience and I'm looking forward to it. So enjoy the day. Bye.